Welcome back to GunMan. If you're searching for the best subcompact pistol for everyday carry in 2025, you're in the right place. Whether upgrading your current firearm or stepping into the concealed carry world for the first time, we've got you covered. Finding the perfect blend of size, comfort, and firepower can be tough, but we've narrowed it down to 6 standout options this year. From ultra-concealable designs to high-capacity powerhouses, these pistols are changing the game. Which ones made the list? Stay tuned as we break down their key features, pros, and cons. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Let's dive in. Number 1. The FN 503 Tactical is a compact and reliable subcompact pistol designed for everyday carry. Measuring 5.9 inches in length, 4.6 inches in height, and weighing 21 ounces, it balances concealability and performance. The 3.1-inch barrel with a recessed target crown enhances accuracy, while the all-metal trigger offers a crisp 5 lb pull. It features low-profile, snag-free 3-dot iron sights for quick target acquisition. The FN 503 Tactical is smooth and easy to control. It includes 2 magazine options, a 6-round for deep concealment and an 8-round for a better grip. While the 8-round magazine improves handling, it can be difficult to load at first. The slide release is also stiff but loosens with use. Reliability is excellent across different ammunition types. Pros include its compact size, solid construction, and FN's reputation for quality. Downsides include the stiff slide release and the discontinued status, making it harder to find. With an MSRP of around $549, the FN 503 Tactical is a solid mid-range concealed carry option. If you can find one, it's a dependable, well-balanced pistol that delivers comfort, reliability, and performance for everyday use. Number 2. The Beretta APX Carry SCC is a compact and reliable subcompact pistol designed for everyday carry. Measuring 5.63 inches in length and 4.17 inches in height, it is lightweight at under 20 ounces, making it easy to carry all day. The deepened grip enhances handling, and the interchangeable frame allows for customization. Equipped with a 3-inch barrel, the APX Carry SCC delivers solid accuracy for a small handgun. It includes 2 magazine options, a 6-round for better concealment, and an 8-round for improved control. While the trigger is smooth, some may find the pull a bit long. However, reliability is excellent, as expected from Beretta's well-engineered firearms. Pros include its slim profile, comfortable ergonomics, and dependable build quality. Downsides are the longer trigger pull, limited capacity, and basic sights that could use an upgrade. Priced around $450, the APX Carry SCC is a great mid-range choice for those seeking a minimalist, concealable, and reliable firearm for everyday carry. If you appreciate Beretta's craftsmanship, this pistol is worth considering. Number 3. The CZ 2075 RAMI Enhanced is a subcompact 9mm pistol based on the CZ75 platform, offering durability and accuracy in a small frame. It weighs just under 26 ounces and measures 6.5 inches in length, making it heavier than polymer rivals but providing better recoil control. The 3-inch barrel keeps it compact, while the improved grip texture enhances handling. Though the short grip may feel cramped, the 14-round extended magazine offers a better hold. Performance is solid, with a smooth trigger and reduced recoil due to its weight. While it carries well, it's not as comfortable as lighter options. Discontinued, but still sought after, the Rami remains popular for its reliability and sturdy build. Pros include its durable metal frame, accuracy, and extended magazine. Downsides are its weight, short grip with the standard mag, and limited availability. Priced around $750. The CZ-2075 Rami Enhanced is a high-quality subcompact pistol. If you value CZ's craftsmanship and can find one, it's a strong choice for concealed carry. Number 4. The Smith & Wesson M&P 2.0 Subcompact is a solid choice for everyday carry, offering enhanced ergonomics, a refined trigger, and good capacity. Measuring 6.6 inches in length and weighing 25 ounces, it balances concealability and shootability. The 3.6-inch barrel keeps it compact, while the aggressive grip texture and 4 interchangeable palm swell inserts provide a customizable fit. Its double-stack design results in a wider frame, but allows for a 12-round capacity, surpassing many single-stack options. Performance-wise, the improved trigger offers a crisp pull with a tactile reset. The slightly longer grip and textured surface help manage recoil, making follow-up shots easier. However, the standard white dot sights may not perform well in low light conditions, making an upgrade to night sights a good idea. Pros include high capacity, improved grip, and a refined trigger, while cons are its slightly bulkier size and standard sights. Priced around $569, the M&P 2.0 Subcompact is a reliable, well-balanced option that prioritizes control and comfort over ultra-compact dimensions, making it a strong EDC. Number 5. The Glock 30 Gen 5 is a compact and powerful 45 ACP pistol designed for everyday carry. Measuring just under 7 inches in length and weighing about 23.81 ounces, it strikes a good balance between size and firepower. The removal of finger grooves improves grip comfort, while the ambidextrous slide stop lever enhances usability for left-handed shooters. The polymer frame ensures durability while keeping the weight manageable for daily carry. With a 3.78-inch Glock Marksman barrel, accuracy is enhanced through improved rifling. The 10-round magazine offers solid capacity for a Nefertine named 1 Ryan 5 T6P subcompact, though its double-stack design makes it slightly thicker than some alternatives. While recoil is manageable, it remains stronger than most 9mm options. The aggressive grip texture may not suit all shooters, especially during prolonged use, but it provides excellent control in various conditions. Pros include its compact size, stopping power, and enhanced ergonomics. Cons include its slightly bulkier frame, noticeable recoil, and a grip texture that may feel harsh for some. Price between $550 and $610. The Glock 30 Gen 5 is a dependable and well-balanced choice for those who favor 45 ACP for concealed carry. If you can manage the extra recoil and thicker build, it's a solid everyday defense option. Number 6. The Walther PPS. Min 2 is a slim, and lightweight concealed carry pistol designed for comfort and reliability. Measuring 6.3 inches in length, just 1 inch wide, and weighing 19.1 ounces, it is easy to carry all day. The ergonomic grip improves handling, while the 3.18-inch barrel keeps it compact. The smooth trigger offers a clean break, and the magazine release has been updated to a traditional button, chambered in nylon. The PPS Min 2 comes with 3 magazine options, a 6-round for deep concealment, a 7-round for balance, and an 8-round for better control. Recoil is mild, and the short trigger reset allows for quick follow-up shots. However, some users report weak ejection with certain low-pressure ammunition. Pros include its slim profile, smooth trigger, and multiple magazine options. Cons are its basic sights, occasional weak ejection, and limited capacity. Priced around $469, the PPS Min 2 is an affordable and reliable choice for concealed carry, offering a balance of comfort and performance.